Hey everyone, Newman here with K-Free Airguns. Today we have the FX Airguns Leopard. We have the FX Leopard here. Nice little logo there. It's just going to be a quick, this is the tube version, no bottle. So it's just going to be a quick tutorial on how to degas it. Essentially you got to take the bottom rail, the bottom chassis off. And then there will be a plug about right here, just underneath your tank gauge, where you can degas it. So let me show you how to do this real quick. First and foremost, you'll need a 3mm. This everything's off this one, so. But the first screw is right here. It's right here behind your gauges on the bottom of the chassis. You're going to loosen that one till it's loose. Then we got this one right here. It's just in front of the trigger. So there's your trigger. This one's just in front of it on the trigger guard. That one's also 3mm. And the last one is down in here. This is a silver screw on this gun. It's also a 3mm. You may have to start it with an L like this, if it's too tight. I've already been playing with this one a little bit, so it should not strip out. Yep. And then you can also come in through the side like this. You gotta slide that all the way forward. And then you gotta flip it to the side here with a 2mm. And take your safety off. And remember, it is ambidextrous, so we have to take it off this side too. Alright, then we can stand the gun up on the scope rail. And the chassis will come up. And you can slide it. You gotta slide the bridge up and over the barrel. So you got your bridge. You gotta slide up and down the air tube here. You can see where it naturally sits right there, but you gotta slide it down the air tube and off the end. There's that silver screw. So the plug I was talking about. So here's your tank gauge. Here's the degassing plug. Again, 2mm. You just loosen it. Let it bleed off, and then whenever it's down to 0, then you're degassed. So in order to put the chassis back on, if you're done degassing or doing whatever you're going to do inside, you want to get the chassis back onto the gun. You're going to preload this screw, so get this one. Go ahead and start it into the hole there. Not all the way through, but just get it started. Flip it over. And then you have to fish this end onto the gun, onto the barrel. Slowly slide it over. You have to lift the chassis up and over the trigger right here. Then when it's in place, it'll drop right back down. Nice and snug. You can take your other screws, drop them in. And tighten them up. So tighten that one down. Get this one into place. Tighten it up. And then your middle screw. There you go, tightened up. And then you got your safety switches. Make sure you hold the wing as you're tightening down the screw so that way it doesn't flip. And then same with this one. All right, you're good to go. That's how you degas the FX Leopard.